Speak English with Confidence podcast. Hello, and welcome to Speak English with Confidence. Today's topic is very important for life, study, and work. We are going to talk about how to manage your time for success. Many people say, I don't have enough time. But the truth is, we all have the same 24 hours every day. The difference is in how we use those hours. Some people achieve many things, while others always feel busy, but don't make real progress. In this episode, I will explain simple and practical ways to manage your time. At the same time, you will improve your English listening and vocabulary. Why time is important? Time is the most valuable thing we have. If we lose money, we can earn it again. But if we lose time, we can never get it back. Every day, every hour, every minute is a chance to move closer to success. Successful people understand that time is life. That's why they plan their days carefully. Think about it. What do you usually do when you wake up? Do you check your phone immediately? Do you spend 1 hour on social media? Many of us waste time without thinking. If we want success, we need to take control of our time. Make a to-do list. One of the easiest tools for time management is a to-do list. A to-do list is simply a list of tasks you want to do in one day. Writing a list helps you to organize your thoughts. It also helps you to see clearly what is important and what is not. For example, if you write, study English, buy food, finish my homework, and call my friend, you already have a small plan for the day. You don't need to keep everything in your head because the list reminds you. It is also important to set priorities. A priority is something that comes before other things because it is more important. If you have 5 tasks, ask yourself, which one will help me the most today? Do that one first. Use time blocks. Another useful method is dividing your day into time blocks. Imagine your day is like a pizza. You cut the pizza into different pieces. Each piece is one block of time. In the morning block, you can study English. In the afternoon block, you can focus on work. In the evening block, you can relax or spend time with family. Time blocks make your day clear. Instead of saying, I will study sometime today, you say, I will study from 9 to 10 in the morning. When you give a clear time for each activity, you are more focused and you waste less time. Avoid distractions. One of the biggest problems in our time is distractions. A distraction is something that takes away your focus. Social media, notifications, endless scrolling, television, or noise can easily waste hours of your day. If you want to manage your time for success, you need to protect your focus. That means turning off notifications, putting your phone in another room, or telling your family, please don't disturb me for 1 hour. Focus is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it becomes. At first, you may find it difficult to concentrate for 1 full hour, but if you practice every day, you can increase your focus and get more done in less time. Balance and rest. Managing your time is not only about working hard, it is also about balance. If you study or work too much, you will feel tired and your brain will not work well. Success is not only about action, it is also about energy. You need good energy to do your tasks. That is why rest is so important. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Take short breaks during the day. Go for a walk, drink water, or stretch your body. Rest is not wasting time. Rest is preparing your body and mind for more success. Practical daily routine. Let's put everything together into a simple daily routine. Morning. Wake up early, write a to-do list, and focus on one important task first. Midday. Divide your tasks into time blocks and follow your schedule. Afternoon. Avoid distractions, put away your phone, and work deeply on your priorities. Evening. Relax, spend time with family or friends, and prepare for the next day. Night. Sleep well, because tomorrow you will need energy again. If you follow this type of routine, you will feel more organized, less stressed, and more confident. Time is life. Every minute is a small piece of your future. If you waste it, you lose opportunities. If you use it well, you can achieve your goals, improve your English, build your career, and create the life you want. To manage your time for success, remember that time is valuable. Write a to-do list every day. Use time blocks to organize your day. Avoid distractions and protect your focus. Rest well and keep balance. Success is not about being busy all the time. Success is about using your time wisely. Thank you for listening to this episode of Speak English with Confidence. I hope you learned useful tips and also practiced your English listening. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes. See you next time.